Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title of the video, I did a little bit of a shopping at IKEA and Ross, and I wanted to just share a couple of those items that I got. This was supposed to be just IKEA, but I ended up going to Ross and finding so many things, so I decided to just like put it all together and share with you guys. Before we get into this video, make sure you're subscribed and make sure you give me a thumbs up if you like this type of content, and I will keep giving you guys little tips and tricks. If you're new to my channel, I have a lot of natural hair content, a little bit of skincare, makeup, but recently I've been into a lot of organization with quarantine going on and just everything going on. I've been watching a lot of home videos and just liberating my space and making it more organized and just cater to my needs and the things that make me feel good. So organization has been like just my new thing to do. So believe it or not, believe it or not, this was my second time ever going to IKEA. The first time I went to IKEA, I think I was shopping for like a computer table or something, and I didn't really pay much attention to everything else they had. I noticed that they had a lot of household stuff and just a little bit of everything, and I was actually amazed, but I didn't really buy anything in that visit. So for the longest time, I've been just dying to go back to IKEA and actually walk through every single aisle and see what they have and get some stuff. So I've been on Pinterest a lot. I've been looking at a lot of videos and just organization ideas using things from IKEA. So I wanted to go to IKEA. So with everything opening back up, so I decided to go on a little shopping spree and see what they had. There was one thing specific I was looking for. I'm trying to get away from like the plastic containers, so I wanted some of those nice glass containers that I can use for meal prepping and just stuff like that. So I was kind of generally looking for stuff, but at the same time open to whatever I find. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I got. Hopefully you guys like some of the items, and even if you don't want to go in store, you can check them out online and see if you find anything. But yeah, these are the things. I'm super excited. I got so many stuff and I've been dying to do this video. So hope you guys like this stuff, and if you do, again, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Alright, so the first thing I got from IKEA is this Lazy Susan. As you can see, it's really big. Sorry guys, I'm close to the window, so if you hear cars going by, but I was trying to get this lighting. But this is the Lazy Susan I got. It's this nice wooden Lazy Susan. I was just amazed at how big it was, and I'll try to see if I can find these items online and list them down below with the price, because the price is not on here. But anyway, I think I can use this for my cabinets or my pantry. And I think what I'm gonna do is put like my bigger spice bottles that is not in my spice drawer on here. That way I can just rotate and get to them quicker. So this is really big, and I knew it wasn't expensive. I'm not sure what the price is, but I'll link it down below, but it wasn't expensive. So I've been really getting into like the bamboo wooden stuff. I just think it looks so classic in the home. I don't know, I'm not a interior designer or anything like that, but I just been loving the way these bamboo wooden stuff look. This is a bowl. It's a nice wooden bowl. It's pretty big, and I think what I'm gonna use this for is for like salads and stuff. I've never had like one of those, you know, salad bowls, the wooden ones. So I mean, you can do other things in it, but this is probably gonna be my designated salad bowl. Again, the price is not on the bowl, but I'm going to try to find everything and just list it down below. So that was the second thing I got. So the main thing I pretty much went to IKEA for was these glass bowls, containers. I think these would be perfect for meal prepping and just storing food in the refrigerator. They do have some like smaller ones that I could like take to work or something, but they weren't stocked on the shelves. So I figured I will check online and see if I can find it. I'm not sure which side you're supposed to open it on, but as you can see, it does have a pretty good seal. So I like that about it. And these were probably, I know they weren't more than $6 for sure. So I definitely will be using these to meal prep and store things in the fridge because I'm trying to get away from the plastic containers. One thing, they're not good for you, they're not healthy for you or good for you, and they stain a lot and just stuff like that. So I'm trying to get away from that because it's just too much. So I wanted something that looks good, looks clean, look organized, but also effective. So like I said, they didn't have the smaller ones stocked on the shelves, but I got 2 of these because I can meal prep and put them in the refrigerator. So here's the second one. So the next thing I picked up at IKEA is this avocado tool. I had one in my Amazon wish list because it's like an all-in-one tool. I don't know if you guys can see. It has like a knife thing that you can use to cut it. This little part here you can use to slice it. This middle part you can use to take the seed out, and I believe take the seed out, slice it, and then you can use, I think, the ends of it to scoop it out. Yes, so you can slice and scoop it at the same time. So I thought that was cool. Again, it wasn't like anything expensive, so I just thought it would be good to have like an all-in-one tool. You don't have to grab a knife to cut it, then grab a spoon to scoop it out. So I picked this up as well, and I will link it down below. So I do have some decorating that I'm trying to do, or I will be doing in the next couple weeks. So I found this nice little, let me take the paper off. I'm not sure where I'm gonna put it yet, but added decoration. All right, next I picked up 2 of these glass jars. That was another thing I really went for because I'm gonna be doing my pantry in the next couple weeks. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna put in this one yet, but I picked up 2 of these, and yeah, these are just great containers. So it doesn't have a strong seal, so I probably won't put anything in here that can like get stale because it closes. But oh wait a minute, hold up, wait a minute. It does have a little bit of a suction, but it's not the strongest. But I'll figure out what I'm gonna put in here. I need to go through my pantry and kind of figure out what all I need containers for, so I can make sure I have enough. But I just picked up 2 of these from IKEA. Like I said, a lot of their jars and stuff were not like in stock, so it was kind of hard, but I know I can check online. And I also have some other things that I got from Ross that made up for that. So those were the only 2 containers I got. Next, I picked up this. It's pretty much like vinegar and oil containers. So I didn't even realize that this is like a holder for it, so you can keep them together. But I'm probably gonna put like, so I already have like a big one that I use for my olive oil, but I'm sure I can put either another type of oil in here, or like vinaigrette or something like that that I have that doesn't have a container. But I like that these 2 are together. So I'll figure out what I want to pour in it. It has the pouring spout, but I really love that it comes with this little holder that keeps them together. So that is pretty cool. If you're looking for like a vinegar and oil holder, IKEA has these really cute ones. So I got this shaker cup because we do have like a little bar area now. We do have a shaker cup now, or a mixer cup, but this one has all the measurements on it and different drinks and stuff that you can make. So we thought this would be cool to add to the bar area. So yeah, we have this one. It opens and you can pour from here like the strainer. So if you're into like bar stuff and making mixed drinks and blended drinks, then this is a good addition to your drink station or whatever you have. Like I said, we have like a little bar area, so we've been into a lot of mixed drinks lately, so we just wanted to add that to our collection. I also picked up a couple little green plants. Let me see if the price is on there. I feel like the price is not on anything. The price is not on there, but I'll link it down below. But you can see how small it is. It's just a hint of greenery. I think that's one thing that I'm missing a lot from my house is I don't have a lot of green and plants. So I'm trying to like, you know, add little hints of green. This is also something that I could add with this on one of the shelves or something. So that's why I picked these up. And and this is the second one, a little bit more than this one. So I have a third one that I bought, but I already added it to my bathtub as a decoration, and I'll go get that in a second. But those are two that I just picked up just because, like I said, you can add it anywhere in your house, on a shelf, in your bathroom, just different areas. So I just picked up two, and I'll figure out where I want to put those. So also we picked up these really cute ice trays. Again, it's for all the mixed drinks that we like to make. They're just different shapes, and this one is, what is it called? Not sure what it's called, but they're two different shapes of just cute ice cubes that you can use for your mixed drinks. So we picked those up as well. I'm gonna grab the other plant so I can show you guys. Okay, so the other plant I picked up was this one. Like, how cute is that? I just love how long, and it's just so cute. So I just love this one and how like poofy it is, and it's still small and cute. So I added it to my bathtub, and it just like adds just a little hint of, it just adds like a nice little touch to my bathtub area. So I added that. So that was the third plant. It's really cute. I think in total I spent just over $100 on everything. If you watch my most recent video on my spice drawer, you may have seen me talked about these little mason jars. How cute are these? So these come in a set of 3, and I bought 3 packs, so I think that was 9. Yes, 9. And I added these to the back of my spice drawers. I haven't filled them up yet, but I'm still trying to figure out what to put in them. But if you're thinking about adding your spices to something, this is a great alternative. So there's so many different things you can put in here if you wanted to, but how cute. They're just so cute. It opens, has this little paper in here, but then you have the little suction rubber that you put around it so that it will give it like a good seal. So whatever you put in here, it will keep it fresh if you... So there it goes. You put the little rubber piece on there. It gives it a nice suction. And then you close it. So these were perfect for what I wanted because I had that little space in the back of my spice drawer, and I wanted something just small that could still fit some more spices and stuff in it. So these were perfect for my spice drawer. So I think that was everything from IKEA. Now we're gonna get into the stuff I got from Ross. So I went into Ross because I just kind of wanted to see what they had. Had no idea I was gonna find so many stuff. But the first thing I grabbed were these really big jars. These are perfect for any pantry. The main thing I wanted these for, or this size for, is our protein powder, because we go to gym, we have 2 or 3 different flavors in protein powder. Like I like my chocolate banana, and my husband likes his like vanilla or cookies and cream or something weird. But these are, I don't know if you can see just how big these are, and it comes with this like label here that you can write on with a chalk. So I like that too, because that way if we change the flavors, all we have to do is get that chalk off and rewrite what flavor. So if you have something that you change a lot, it could be cereal, like if you change flavors in cereal all the time, this could be a great option as well. And the suction on this is great. Like it closes really tight. It has a piece of rubber around it, but it really closes really nicely, and you would not believe how much I paid for this. This was $6.99, guys. So I picked up 3 of them because, like I said, we usually have 2 or 3 protein powders. So I think these will fit perfectly on the top shelf of my pantry where I keep the protein powder and stuff. You guys will see my pantry whenever I do it and see how I add these to it. But yeah, I was super excited when I saw those and the price that it was, that I just grabbed 3. Like, I'll figure something out, I'll put something in it. But for that price, I was not gonna let that go. So, all right, the next jar I picked up was this size. Smaller than the big one, but still a decent size. Again, I'm not sure what I would put in here. You can put flour, sugar. Yeah, I probably would put brown sugar in one of these. I picked up 2. Yeah, I picked up 2 of these. So I probably put either sugar in it. I think I already have a flour container. So price on these were $2.99. $2.99 for this big jar. I mean, I don't know if the video shows just how big it is, Comes with this silver top, and I have labels so I can put whatever I want on it. So I have 2 of these. So the next thing I picked up from Ross is this expanding 3-tier shelf. If you're like me, who are always on Pinterest, always watching videos, you'll see a lot of people have their canned goods on something like this. It makes it easier to kind of see everything, but look how far it expands to. It expands all the way out. So these were $7.99. I wasn't sure if one was gonna be enough for me. I'm not sure. It's possible that one will be enough, but I wanted to get 2 just in case, so I did pick up 2. So yeah, I did pick up 2 of these. Again, they expand. You can use them in your pantry. You can use them for spices. There's just so many variety of stuff you can use it for. But for $7.99, like I said, I grabbed 2 just in case. If I use just one, I'll figure out what to do with the second one. But I was surprised when I found this in Ross. Ross is like a hit or miss, because sometimes you go there and you can't find anything, and then another time you go and you find everything. So this was one of those days where I went in and within 15 minutes I was out and I found everything I wanted. So that was definitely a steal for me. So continuing, I still have more jars. These are some other mason type jars. They're a little bit shorter than this one. Yeah. Know if you can see the size difference, just a slight, it was just a little bit of a height difference there. Again, I just grabbed it for my pantry. I can put something in it. I can put like cocoa powder in here or cornstarch or something in here. I picked up 2 of these, I believe. So it's just different sizes when you're doing your pantry. Not everything is gonna be a big pack like the protein powder, but maybe you have smaller things, cornmeal that I can put in here, or yeah, like I said, I have to go through my pantry and like make a list of what is gonna go in jars, and you know, figure out what I'm gonna put in each one based on the size of product. You can maybe put bacon stuff in here as well. So again, just grab these, and these were $2.49 again at Ross. Like I said, Ross had so many glass jars. I literally wanted to grab everything. So the last thing I picked up at Ross was this plant holder. I have been looking for a plant holder for a very long time. I actually need some more, but I thought this one was so cute with the gold pot. It has that little groove, so it fits perfect in here. So when I said I had this plant in my bathtub, I basically just dropped it in there and have it on my tub just like that. Like, how cute is that? It is a little bit deep, like the pot. I wish I could get it up a little bit higher. I probably will. But how cute was that? So Ross has so many stuff. Like I said, I just kind of ran in and grabbed a few things, and the main thing I wanted to grab was stuff for the pantry, because I'll be doing that in the next couple weeks. So I have to get all these jars washed and dried and ready to do the pantry video. But make sure you stay tuned, because that video will be coming in the next couple weeks. So yeah, I think that was everything I got between IKEA and Ross. If you're looking for organization stuff and just home stuff, I highly recommend Ross. I love going to Ross. Those stuff you normally get at which the Container Store is not like, it can get crazy expensive at the Container Store, but they do have deals a lot. But I think if you're starting out, the first thing you should do is hit up a couple Ross. I have, as you guys know, I live a little bit away from Vegas, so I have tons of Ross that I can visit. I don't even know how many Ross is in Vegas. Between Ross, Burlington, Home Goods, Marshalls, and IKEA, you can find so many stuff at so many affordable prices. $2.99, $3.99, up to $10. I think that is a steal. So yeah, this is everything I got from those 2 stores for my little mini haul. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little haul I did, this little video. I just love sharing stuff like this and little steals that you can find. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel. I'm trying to grow, so just give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you guys think of all the products I got. So that will be it, guys, and until next time, bye guys.